Namaste friends, welcome to Ability Expansions. Today I am going to show you how to create 3D model of eye bolt in AutoCAD. Dimensions of this eye bolt are shown in the image. If you are new on my channel, then please support me with like, subscribe and share. So let's start. Start a new drawing by Ctrl N. Then open with metric. Make sure the 3D modeling is selected. Then set this conceptual visual style and SE isometric. Back to image. See here, width of main body of eye bolt is 28 by 28 and the center distance from top is 80. Start line command by pressing L enter, specify first point, then length 80 enter, then drag mouse towards right, dimension 28 and press enter. Then again 80 towards left, enter and close this by one more line of 28 length. Press escape to exit from line command. Now start circle command by C enter. Click on this midpoint to specify center point. Then radius 25, enter. Then TR double enter and trim those unwanted portions. Delete this. To apply fillet, press F enter, then R enter to specify radius of fillet, value 20, enter. Select first object and then second object. Press enter again to start the same command, then again first object and second object. To convert those all objects in a single entity, start pedit command by pressing PE enter. Select any object, enter. Then AutoCAD asks us, do you want to turn it into one? S, so high, enter. Then join. You can click here or type J enter. Now select all object and enter. Press enter again to exit from this command. Then draw one more circle of dia 25.2 on the same center point. Now ext enter for extrude command. Select both profile, enter. Extrusion height 28, enter. Type SU, enter for subtract command. Select this main body, enter. Then select this cylinder, enter to finalize this operation. So now we need to rotate this part and make it vertical. Type rotate 3D, enter. Select this object, enter. We need to rotate this part with the reference of x-axis. So type X, enter. Select any point and type 90 as rotation angle. Now we will create this cut which has depth 5.5 and height is 30. Type C, enter. Click here and specify radius 5.5, enter. Then line, start from this quadrant point, length 30, enter. Then 5.5, enter. Then click on this quadrant point to complete. Press escape to exit. Trim those unwanted profile. Again pedit, enter. Select any object. Y for S, enter. J for join, enter. Select all object, then double enter to complete and exit. Now type REV to revolve command, enter. Select this profile, enter. Select this point and rotation angle is 360, enter. Then rotate 3D, enter. Select this object, enter. X, enter. Rotation angle 90, enter. Copy this part and place all those corner points. Delete this. Then SU, enter for subtract command. Select this eye bolt main body, enter. Select all those corner objects and hit enter. Now draw a reference line from this point to this point. This line helps us to draw center cylinder at the top. Back to image. C dia 25 and height is 28. C enter. Select this midpoint to start circle. Then D enter for diameter. Value 25 enter. Now EXT for extrude command. Select this circle. Enter. Extrusion height is 28 enter. Delete this line. UNI enter for union command. Select both object enter. F enter for fillet. R enter for radius. Value 1.5 enter. Select this edge enter. So our 3D model of eye bolt is ready. If you like this video, please support us with like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.